Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I picked up some goodies from my store, our favorite, the Dollar Tree. I found these, look, they're Black Eyed Susan, and it's part of the regular garden floral. But look at this, how pretty are they? It'll work really well with harvest, the fall season, and for Halloween. How cute! I like them. They're so cute. I love the ombre colors going on with the petals. They're adorable. So I picked up 3 of these. I love those. So cute. And then I found some Halloween. Oh, can you believe it? Only one store in my area is putting out a lot of Halloweens. I have another one that is starting. But, I'm hopeful that they'll continue to add more. And I picked up some Chanel things. Look at this. I picked up 5 each of the orange and then the green ones. I need Chanel stems in my life, so I picked up a lot. So these are called tinsel stems instead of Chanel stems. See, tinsel. But yeah, I love these colors. That's why I picked them up. Look at these. I love it. It's got that green iridescent shade to them, and it's mixed in with black. This is the first time I've seen any of my stores carry it. Look at that. I love that. Now, they still have the regular colors, of course, but I love these. So I picked up those, and then look at this one. And then these are gorgeous too. Look at this. And then it also has that ombre color going on in there, and like an iridescent tinsel. And we have the orange. I love the way the colors just works really well together. Nice. I'm happy I found these. I also picked up these. These are gnome ornaments. I picked up 2 of each set. These are the ones that I like. I believe there's more designs out there. I skipped on those. So I picked up this one. This has the purple hat and it has bats on the hat. And that's what he looks like under there. Or is it a she? I don't know. Yeah, it's a she because she doesn't have the beard. So you get this male gnome over here. This one has the beard. I just need to refluff his beard. And then on his hat, he has the green bats. Isn't that cute? I picked up 2. And then look at this one. Let me face them forward. So this one, it looks like this one is the girl. She does not have a beard. She's got the tied hair. She's got the orange body with the black hat that has white bats on there. Gorgeous, right? Look at that. And then here's the one with the beard. Like this. And then he's got the orange hat with black bats. Isn't that adorable? I was thinking, you can buy a whole bunch of these and make like a garland with it. How cute would they be? And of course they will look gorgeous in the tree. If you set up a Halloween tree, you can add these in. You'll just have to, make sure to buy a large quantity so it covers your whole tree. But they're so gorgeous, I had to have them. I also picked up some of this rub-on transfers. I picked up 5 of them because I really like them. So there, let's see, it doesn't have a quantity, but this is what they look like. See there? I like these. I really like that haunted home down here. Well, everything is really nice in here. I like them. So I will put them to use. And then I also picked up these ones. These are also the rub-on transfers, and this is I guess the orange set then, because it does have like a haunted home. It has ghosts, bats, and gravestones on there. They're really cute. So far my store only had these two designs out, so I went ahead and picked up these two. I know there's more in the collection because those are repeats from last year. And then I found these. Now these are new to my store. I've never seen them at Dollar Tree. And these are pop-up stickers, and you get 15 stickers in these. And look at this. I like them. They're so cute. I love the detail that they put into each sticker. So they did like layers on these stickers. You see there? You have like a script on the back, and then you have like zombie hands coming up the ground, a crow. You got the skull with the eye patch. Isn't that neat? I like it. I like it when Dollar Tree creates their stickers to where you can even use the background into your project, so nothing goes to waste. I really like these. So, and then I also picked up these, and these also have 15 pieces in here. They're so cute. Look at this. I really like the ghost on the bike. He's like, gotta go, gotta go. And then I have great plans for these zombie arms up here. Isn't that gorgeous? So cute. And then they even have like a bat with, or a coffin with bat wings. Let me turn it. See there? Isn't that cute? I like it. I'm happy I found these. I am going to check my stores because, again, these pop-up stickers, I only found these two designs, and I'm thinking that there's probably more out there. So I will keep a watch out for it. Oh, look at this coffin. You see the lid is propped off, and you can still see inside the coffin. Really nice. I really like these. I hope you guys find these stickers. They're so cute. This is the first year that I've seen Dollar Tree carry this Halloween leather. So they had it during the summer season, and then again now they have it in Halloween. So I'm thinking they'll have it also in like the fall collection and then on to Christmas, right? I picked up 3 each. I need 4, but they only had 3 in stock, so I will keep a watch out for another sheet. But look, isn't that just neat? And then, of course, it's got that soft backing. So it'll be wonderful if you're doing like a journal cover, a book cover. Nice, right? Or if you want to make like a pencil pouch. Well, not long enough for a pencil pouch. Maybe if you go this way, you can create a pencil pouch. And then if you go this way, you can create one for like pens, or you can make like a cosmetic bag, right? Isn't that neat? So I got this one. And then I also found it in this one. This is like potions and elixirs. But quite interesting, right? I'm glad Dollar Tree is doing this. It gives us reasons to go back to buy more goodies. And then I picked up this one too. Look at this. This is also part of that Mystic collection. So there's this one, yeah, and then this one. They're both in the Mystic collection. This is more like potions, and then this is more like the palm reading, you know, with the tarot cards. Interesting, right? So I picked up 3 of these. Like I said, if I plan to make like a journal cover, if I went to do like front and back, I need one more sheet of each of the leathers. The last couple of items I picked up are much needed supplies. I picked up this big correction tape. I like it. I like using these. This is 39.3 feet by 1/16 of an inch wide. I need one, and then the other one's my backup. I also decided to pick up this one. This is the correction fluid, and you get 0.7 fluid ounce. And it comes with the brush. See there? I normally buy the pen, but they usually come, well, not this, but in something like a pen this size with a clear cap, and I can use it to like erase a letter if I need to. As to where, this will cover like a wider range, and sometimes you just need like a little dot to clean up. I will use this until I can pick up a pin one. Well, that is everything that I picked up from my Dollar Tree this week. I will be keeping a watch out for some more of the leather or the Halloween leather. Now I believe there's another pattern out there, but I did not pick that one up. It was something that I don't use. So when you go to your store, take a look at all the Halloween leathers they have. And I'm glad that they had more of these rub-on stickers or rub-on transfers. And then I do like these new pop-up stickers. I need to check back in my store very soon to see, what other patterns that they have available. So that'll be nice to have. And I'm happy with my gnomes. They're so cute. I went to DIY like one set, and then the other one, I don't know. I might just hang it off one of my lanterns. That'll be cute, right? So it's hanging off the lantern like this. Maybe put a big bow up here and then just dangle him off. Or something. But I will use them. They're so cute. There are so many different gnomes available at Dollar Tree now. So take a look when you go. I just like this version. I believe they do have some that are on picks too. If you need to put, like a gnome in a plant or something like that. Well, you never know, right? You may want to add some gnome to your plants. And then my floral. Oh, I'm happy with my haul today. I hope that you find everything on your wish list the next time you go to Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.